Traders, we are looking at Bitcoin. We've got this imbalance on the 4-hour time frame, and that's been reached. It's trading into this distribution range through here. So we'll just mark that up. This is a big resistance level, and currently this is well and truly overextended. Look at it. Price swing low to high. I would expect pull back into equilibrium. That kind of comes into play over here, something like that. And there's a few things you want to watch out for here. I think this is going to be heading lower. We've got this imbalance. That's a potential target down around this accumulation in here. So there's a support zone. Now that's an idea. I think this shorts. So we could look for a sell, go short, stop above the green candle over here. Maybe make it give it a little bit of room to breathe. There's a 3-hour idea. Now that's one idea. Let's just go out and get our bearings with this. Let's just scrunch this up. All right, daily time frame. Look what we've got down in here. These lows are a target, guys. Absolutely. Right. This is in a bearish trend on the daily time frame, although we do have this shift in bit of a shift in structure here, bullish. But I'm thinking that could only just be a stop run, possibly, prior to a potential target down in here. So what you could do with this is go for broke with a 7-hour target. Now let's go back down to our 4-hour, and I think the plan of attack with this would be that once we gain a bit of traction with it, I would then look to pull my stop loss to better than break even. All right, so there's your target under here, definitely. Yeah, well, and beyond. Right, down into here even. All right, so we don't know how far this is going to travel, but I'm not convinced that this is turning around at the moment, and I think we see further downside. Think about big players, the big guns. Let's just go back out to, well, we scrunch this up, right? The big guns, we've got all the politics, geopolitical stuff going on. We've got, the US politics and what have you, and big institutions coming on board, and they don't want to buy up around these levels. If they're going to be loading up, they don't want to load up around here. So with this move, I'm assuming that big money, look, we know the potential with this thing, right? It's super volatile. It's the best performing asset there is, and I'm thinking we get a decent dip, but you want to be a little bit careful because, look, guys, if big guns, and I'm talking, those with huge amounts of capital, they really want to get serious about this. Buying it around this level down in here would be 50,000 would be a bargain price. And all right, I hate to do this to you, but the 40,000 mark is tempting, right? Now, if I had hundreds of millions of dollars to throw at this, I would be forcing price down into these levels here, and then I'd be buying up big time. That's kind of getting a bit ahead of myself. The thing you want to look at on this chart is, we're trading down into this territory down in here, right? Now, it could possibly hold here. That's a possibility. And we're off to the little man in the moon up here. I could draw a little thing, right? Big smiley face and rockets out of his ears. And, the funny thing is, this thing starts to trade and the entire YouTube community goes berserk. Everybody's Lambos and moon and rockets and this and that, and they're all pulling faces on YouTube. And everyone's totally convinced, we're heading to $1 million and this is going to be 100,000 in July or whatever. Guys, you've got to take a realistic approach and get a bit grounded with this. So, my thing is, look, just follow the chart. Oh, look, I'll tell you now, I'm accumulating. So I've been accumulating on every dip. So it's just spot. There's no stop loss, right? I'm going in spot Bitcoin, just accumulating on the dips. And for me, if this thing dips down into here, I'm okay. I'll buy some more and I'll be loading up again, right? I've already loaded up in around here, okay? And I'm in for the long haul, guys. I'm ready to hang on to this and go for the roller coaster ride. If that happens, so be it. because I'm, looking at the medium to longer term, and I mean, definitely I'm bullish. Like if we go out of here like this, right, we can see that this is in a bullish trend, looking at it from a bigger picture, right? But get grounded, don't FOMO. If you're trading to make money, manage your risk well. What can I say? I'm short Bitcoin here at the moment as far as trading goes. I'll be buying up again back down in here to, dollar cost average in. But that's an idea for a sell. Look, if that stop is too tight, just take it up above this green candle that you see back here on the left at least, or above the high of the range here if you want to. All right, that's a bit wide. Well, there's a 4R outcome. Up to you, tight stop, greater risk. That gives it a bit more room to breathe. I mean, it is pretty volatile, isn't it? So that's an idea. Bitcoin, pull your stop loss to break even when this gains a bit of ground and see how we go with that. And yeah, I mean, love to hear your thoughts on this, guys. Definitely comment below. And with that, I'll leave it with you. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.